Hello, fellow funnel hackers. Keith Bell here from funnelosophy.com. And in today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite tools, Zapier. Hey, everybody, welcome back. And like I said in the introduction, we're going to be talking about a software platform called Zapier. So what is Zapier? Zapier, I guess the best way to describe it is if you have two different softwares that can't communicate with each other, ClickFunnels and Google Docs, like a spreadsheet. It acts as an intermediary and it lets you transfer data from your ClickFunnels account to a third-party site like Google Docs. I mean, there's over 2,000, I think, softwares that you can use Zapier with to link two different softwares together. And it doesn't have to be ClickFunnels and something else. It can be Google Docs and MailChimp. It can be HubSpot and Shopify. Okay, you can link any two softwares together. So you don't have to use it just for ClickFunnels. You can use it for any number of softwares that you want to use. So let's go inside my computer. I'm going to show you some of the Zaps that I have and just give you a basic overview of Zapier. Best way to learn how to use a lot of these platforms is just play with them. Just get on there and use them. You make a mistake, you delete it. So, just get on there and kind of play around with the different functions. So let's switch over up before I go. If you like what you see in these videos, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, and if there are videos that you want to see on topics that you're interested in or you have questions about, please leave a comment in the comments section. I read all the comments and I reply to all the comments in my videos, and I will make a video on your specific topic. All right, let's go inside. Okay, everybody, here we are inside my computer, and I'm starting off here on my ClickFunnels page, and I want to go to one of my funnels, and I'll show you where you can find the Zapier integration. Let's use the Premier Lawn Care funnel that we're going to be building out. And let's go up here to settings. And we go to settings and scroll down to the bottom. You're going to see Zapier right here. Now, these are some of the integrations that are directly associated with ClickFunnels. Okay, you can send data from ClickFunnels to your Gmail account. So let's say that you want to send every time somebody subscribes to your list, you send their name and email address to your Gmail. Same thing here. If they subscribe, send it to your MailChimp account. Here's one. It's going to send you an email notification. So every time somebody subscribes, you're going to get an email notification that you've got a new ClickFunnels contact. You can send new orders. Somebody makes a purchase, you can send a new order to a Google Sheet, add new contacts to a Google Sheet. If you use an active campaign as your email autoresponder, same thing, send new contacts. Here's one for Slack channel. I don't use Slack channel. Here's Infusionsoft. So there's the Agile CRM, customer relationship management. So these are some of the basic Zaps that you can do inside of ClickFunnels. So let me switch over to my Zapier account, okay, and show you. Here's the dashboard. On the left here we have Make a Zap, Dashboard Zaps, My Apps, Task History, Explore, Get Help, okay, and I'm on the free legacy plan. That means I get 100 tasks per month and I can create 5 individual Zaps. So let's say I want to make a Zap. Okay, so I click on Make a Zap, and the first thing it's going to do is ask me to choose the triggering event. So when this happens. So let's say we have, we'll click on ClickFunnels here, and it chooses the app ClickFunnels. We want a triggering event. So it's going to give us some options: new contact activity, new successful purchase, new failed purchase. All right. I'm going to do new contact activity. All right. I'm going to hit continue. And then I'm going to select my ClickFunnels account, which I've already pre-connected. And I'm going to choose a funnel. So let's go to a funnel that I know is open. Okay, I'm going to use this one here, maximize your results with ClickFunnels, and it's going to ask me what funnel step. So I know that I've got a squeeze page, a sales page, an order form, an OTO page. So let's do squeeze page. That's when somebody's going to provide me with their name and email address, and I'm going to hit continue. Now here's where it gets fun, okay? Zapier is going to pull data from your ClickFunnels past history so that when we set the Zap up, it makes it a whole lot simpler. So I'm going to hit test and review, and it's going to pull up a bunch of different email contacts here. And this is for actually one of my subscribers. So let's open up, I think this, okay, yeah, this is for me personally, okay? So I'm going to use this particular data set, contact A, and I'm going to scroll down the bottom and hit done. So now what it's done is it's pulled in data from my ClickFunnels account. Now it's going to ask me, all right, so when new contact activity occurs inside of ClickFunnels, I want it to do this. So what I want it to do is add that name. Let's say we're going to add it to, we'll add it to Aweber, okay? So it goes to my Aweber account. I'm going to hit create a subscriber. I'm going to select the Aweber account. That's me, my account. And I want to customize the subscriber. So first thing is I've got to go on to, that's the actual account number for my Aweber account. I'm going to choose a value, and this is the list. Okay, you could have 10 different lists inside of Aweber, but this is the list I want to send it to. Okay, so I linked my account, and these are required fields. And email, okay, it's going to, this is also a required field. I'm going to go down here, and you see how I have all these data points down here. Okay, it's going to, I'm going to click on my email, and then I can put name. So let's have, there's a full name here, click that. And let's say I want to tag it as he is a new subscriber. So I'm going to put CF for ClickFunnels, new subscriber. And this will be important when you set up your campaigns inside of Aweber, all right? So every time a new email comes in or a new subscriber comes in from ClickFunnels and it's sent to Aweber, it's going to send their name, their email address, and it's going to tag them as a new subscriber. I hit continue. Let's hit test and review. Oh, won't let me do it because I'm already a subscriber to my list. But what would happen is, let's switch over to my Aweber account. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll sign in here real quick. And I'm going to go to my, let's close this, go to manage lists. And I've got one subscriber in this list so far, that's me. Let's hit manage subscribers. All right, so here is this is the information on this particular subscriber. And if you see right down here in the bottom, it says ClickFunnels subscriber max. That's for people that have subscribed to a particular product that I'm selling. So that took that data from ClickFunnels and sent it through Zapier over to my Aweber account. So, and there's a lot a lot of things that you can do. I'm going to go back to the home screen, and then once this is all done, make sure you turn on your Zap. That's this button up here. If you click on the on off button, I'm not going to be able to do it because this Zap is not working right now because I'm already a subscriber, so I can't use that one. So name your Zap. I'm going to do this Aweber contact. And I will, whoops, I'm having a real problem spelling today. I don't know if it's spelling or typing. So that's saved. And if I go click on the little cogwheel here, these are all my Zaps here. Okay, and you can see that I've already got this new subscriber set up from Aweber. All right, I'm going to get rid of this one, trash it. But you can see I now have another one here, and this is where I have my Stripe account hooked up to my Aweber account. And what it's going to do is every time there's a new charge in Stripe, it's going to update my subscriber in Aweber. Now, why would I need to do that? So when somebody, let's go back to our funnel here. When somebody initially subscribes to the squeeze page, all they have to put in is, let me go to one that I have open. When they get a squeeze page, they're only going to put their email and name in there. But when they go to the order form page, what's going to happen is they're going to fill out all of this data as well, their street address, their postal code. Okay, I want all that information added to their subscriber list inside of Aweber. So I want, every time that happens, I want my subscribers information updated with their let me open manage subscribers. I want to be able to see when I open up Keith Bell that I've got all his additional subscriber information, and I can't find it. Let's go to page 2 here. And it is not adding. But what it would do, it would add my email addresses and everything to the Aweber account. And for whatever reason, it is not working. So, but anyway, so that's Zapier. And of course, I've labeled it new purchase. Play around with it. There's a lot of different, let's go back here to some of the, different software applications that you can link together. Google Contacts, Google Slides, Google Calendar, MailChimp, Trello, WooCommerce, Squarespace. Let me go back here. Let me see if I can do a search here. Search for an app. Let's put in HubSpot. There's HubSpot. So I can do links between Facebook and HubSpot, Google Contacts and HubSpot. There's like 605, I think it says, different apps here. So you can use Zapier not just for ClickFunnels, but for other platforms as well. So hope that was helpful to you. I hope you got a lot out of it, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Hey everybody, I just wanted to update you on something. When we were looking at Zapier, my integration between Stripe and between my Aweber account, I'd mentioned that particular Zap was set up to upgrade their address and so forth. That wasn't what that Zap was designed to do. That Zap was designed to tag them as a ClickFunnels purchase. So I just wanted to make that clear here. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.